Right, people, welcome to Father and Son Workshop. Today what I'm going to be doing is replacing the handle on my Milwaukee saw, on my Milwaukee chop saw. Yes, people, I am a carpenter, and for those that say dewalt is better, yes, and for those that say Makita is better, yes, it is. Now we've got that out of our system, let's change the handle for the Milwaukee cordless. Someone broke it in my own household, my son, and he stuck it down with super glue. I didn't realize when I went to use it, but hey ho, gotta do it. So here's a replacement handle, ordered from Milwaukee. Now in this handle's gonna go here, so inside from, so in that and in there, that bolt, that one goes right through this one, and then there should be a pin just there, that one there, that holds that in place. That holds that in place, yeah? Right, so in order to get to that, we're gonna have to take the outer guard off, take the blade off, and take the inner handle off. Now they're all star screws. I think they're T20s. So let's open this up and replace that handle. So yeah, mine's a cordless. Make sure it's unplugged, take your battery off, and get going in it, I suppose. Can't use the handle because it's broken, but there's a lever just in there. Just lift it and the guide will come back. Reverse thread. It's got a light in it, so that wiring is there and light. We don't need to undo these. I'm not sure about that one, might have to undo that, but I'm gonna undo the ones that we know we need to undo, and then see where we go from there. Just make sure you know your bolt size, which ones are right, the screw size. There's one there. That's the machine thread one. one right underneath that, so definitely gonna have to take that off. Right, I was hoping to take this all in one piece, but there's a lever going down from here in there, which is just pinned in there, which when you press this button releases it and you can spin it, but I can't take this off and I can't pull the lever out. So there's a little C-clip in here. Take the C-clip out. That was the lever that's stuck in there. That operates that handle there, if you can see. Yeah, so there you go. And if I take this, right. So now should be able to just take it off. And there we go. Alright, put this to one side. That was the lever that's going all the way into there. And that's what we've got to take out and replace, which is in there. Oops. Just lost the bit. Okay. Yeah, that's. So, oh, there it is. Little washer behind it. And there's the handle. Now we just got to transfer all of this onto this. And there we go. That's in. That's all in. So let's get it back in. Right, so it's ready to go back in, but I like to give it a bit of clean now since I've got it all open. So give it a good dust out. Sits flush, and put some of the bolts back in. Let's put all the bolts back in. Right, at this stage I had to undo it all again because remember that little washer I said like fell out from there. I forgot to put that in, so I undone it and I've put that washer back in. So let's get on with the rest now. Hey, good. Check all the lights work. Oh, that light's working. Can't see it much. Laser light works. Although it's not straight, but hey. And this all works. So thank you for watching, father and son. I had to replace a handle on your Makita. So I'm sure the DeWalt one's similar as well, but that's how you change a handle. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.